duvet cover squat. Let me tell you. Okay, this is the feel that I want. All right, it's time to open the Amazon boxes. Amazon haul. Let's see what we got. Hello. It's time for a haul. Hello, I'm Hallie, aka Halicia, and I buy things. I buy things sometimes online. And today, like every day, Amazon, I got my wallet, I got my coins. Today is an Amazon haul. What I got from Amazon in about a week and a half. We could say 2 weeks, makes me feel better about myself. Within a week or two's time. Does that make sense? Maybe. What I got, I spent like, it was like Amazon Prime Day on one of the days. So first I spent like $153, and then it was Amazon Prime Day, and then I spent another $100 and something. So let's say this is like $300 worth of product, of merchandise. There's a lot of boxes, but when you lay it all out, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So today's video is an Amazon haul. I'm just gonna show you what I got. The videos coming up, I'm gonna kind of show you me using them. So let's say I got a duvet. You wanna see what the duvet looks like on my bed? That video coming up. I got a lot of cleaning items that I'm really excited about. And then I'll show you a cleaning video of if those cleaning items work. So today's what I got. And then the videos coming up will show you, was it worth it? Was it worth the purchase? Okay? So, first thing I got was a duvet cover. I have joined the team. I have joined the team. I'm part of the duvet cover squad. Duvet cover squad. Let me tell you, when I go to a hotel, do I like white duvets? Do I like it? Yes. It's so pretty, it's so nice. I feel like I'm on a cloud. But do I want it for home? No, I don't know what it is. It could be the oils that I put in my hair. Bugger. I just am afraid to have a white comforter or duvet myself because I don't know. I don't like things that have markings or stains. But this one's from Bedsure, in case you can't see. And I'll go ahead and link things below, or I'll just attach it to my Amazon storefront, and you'll be good to go. So it's just a duvet cover. In case you want to know all the prices, I'm just gonna like go through these things because your time is of the essence. But if you want to know prices or links, it's all gonna be in the description box, or just hit the Amazon storefront and it'll all be there. So, but I believe this was like 20 something bucks. Ooh, this nice. So I'm taking it out now, honestly, because it needs to go in the washer and dryer. If you don't wash your stuff before you put it on, rethink your life. Rethink your life. So it comes with those 2 pillowcases. Bam, bam. Is this the duvet cover? This is the duvet cover, or is this just sheets? It says duvet cover set. Duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. That's what it says. And the reason why I spent like maybe $7 extra is because this one has the zipper. Girl, where's that? Where's that? Because I've stayed a night at my friend's house and like helped them like re-clean the duvet cover, and they just be buttoning and buttoning. Ain't nobody has time to button a duvet cover. We need the zipper. Yeah, so it has the zipper. So you don't have to worry about buttoning. That's the worst part. It's like pants. Who wants to button up 50 million buttons? It's cute, but you know what? I'm a zipper type of gal. So I'm excited to throw this in the washing machine. Washing machine. Okay. Then I also got, this is either the bed skirt or this is the mattress pad. Which one is it? This is, oh, just kidding. It's a body pillow. So I have 2 body pillows on my bed. But since we have the white theme going on, let's just keep it going. Let's just keep it going. So this is the white pillowcase. My white pillowcases, I mean my body pillowcases, my body pillows. Ooh, English. This is a pillowcase. I have 2 body pillows. Ooh, did I get makeup on this already? Mm-hmm. They're kind of thin, so I think both of them can fit in here to make it thick. I just have a lot of colors on my bed. There's gray, there's white, there's pink, there's lots of different colors, and I'm thinking I just want to go white. And that's it. I don't know, I might just go all white. She might do it. Alright, so that's it for the, oh no. So that's the duvet cover, but I also got some sheets I'm a white and gray type of gal, in case you haven't noticed. So, what color are these? The sheets. These are the Amazon Basics. I read a lot of reviews on sheets. I'm not really like a 300 count type of gal. Like, it needs to have 300, what is it called, thread count. But I want it to be, you know, decent. And Amazon Basics was like the great, most affordable, good sheets. Look at this. This sounds like a review. Look, Amazon, start putting me out coins. Now, I'll say something nicer. That's all I'm going to say. So it's 2 pillowcases. 1 pillowcase? Maybe it's 1 pillowcase? It's 2. 1, 2. 2 pillowcases. And those sheets, the one that goes around the bed and on there. So, what are we going to do? Put that in the laundry. We're washing them. Okay. So, what else did I get for my bed? Last thing for the bed. I don't even know what this is. I think this is my mattress pad. So I've had my mattress for a while, and you ever go to sleep on somebody's bed, you the guest, and it just seems like, I could sleep here forever. Why is everybody else's mattress better than mine? Well, instead of getting a whole new mattress, I got a mattress pad. A mattress pad! This one's from Bedsure. Yeah, Bedsure as well. Bam. Shows lamb. So this just goes on top of your mattress. It adds a little padding, and you can't really wash your mattress, right? It's like when it gets old, you try to scrub it, you try to put a little Febreze on it, but it doesn't really get that clean. So, and someone's gonna have to tell me, do we throw this in the washer and dryer? I think so. I believe so. Okay, comment below if you're like, girl, don't do it. You gotta hand wash it. Oh, this is gonna take too long to come out. But this is what it looks like. So it's gonna add a little padding to my sleep. I hope I don't oversleep because I still gotta wake up at 5 a.m. Okay. So that's it for the bed. Now the bath. So the only thing I got that's like fancy smancy cute. I'm really excited about this. I've been wanting, if you watch my bathroom makeover, I was so torn between getting a design or white. What's this called? Ooh, I need to make sure I don't got no makeup on my hands. I don't have any makeup on my hands. I might not touch this because I gotta be careful. But I'll take it out for y'all. I got the white shower curtain. Now the reason why I like this one, I don't know if you can tell. You see that? It's like little leaves. It's a little boho vibe. You see, I like leaves. So it's like, and it comes with these little things with it. Has the holes on the top. But yeah, oh, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. If you want to see how it's gonna look in my bathroom, that video's coming for you. That video's coming for you for the bathroom makeover. So we don't have time to put that all in. So that's it. So now the cleaning stuff I got real quick. I love me some cleaning talk. I watch cleaning videos all the time. And I'm always like, oh, I want that. Oh, I want that. So I have things that I want to redo. I had copper in my bathroom and I want to get rid of it. So I like replaced these outlets for the switches. So I'm going back to white. If you know, you see my video, I'm going back to white. I have a fan in my bathroom and it's kind of bootleg. It's kind of not cute. So it's like black. It's black. I don't want to say black and other color. It's like black and off-white. And it kind of takes up counter space. So I actually want to instead hang like a fan on the wall. Like this. Like this. I want to hang this fan. Ooh, yes. And it has a little thing for just to hang on the wall. And blow me. Because you know how it is when you're putting on your makeup and you're already sweating? I just want a little breeze. And this has 3 speeds to it, so it should be good. And you can just plug it into the outlet. So now I'm not taking up counter space with my fan on my countertop while I'm getting ready. Okay. Now the cleaning supplies. So, could I have gotten this that I'm about to show you from the dollar store? Probably. But I hate going to the store and it's not there. My dollar store in San Diego, it's no bueno. It don't be having all the things that everybody else's dollar store be having. I don't know what it is. But this stuff right here is called It Works. Oh, The Works. So I have like soap scum, like they call it hard water in San Diego, where it's like just the water over time is like hard and it kind of creates this like residue, and I don't like that. So I heard this will get rid of it in the shower and in the sink. So I was like, look, if it works, it works. I got two. Now, did I pay like $8 online for this and I could have got it for $1? Yes. But it was called I Want It Now. I didn't, and I was buying stuff at midnight, so I didn't want to wait. Okay, so that's gonna work. Other cleaning stuff I got the pink stuff. So I'm really excited about this. If you don't know about the pink stuff, it pretty much can get rid of, I'm just taking it out the plastic. You can get rid of everything. I just want to deep clean. So I'm gonna have those cleaning videos coming up. Deep clean the heck out of my bathroom. Like, it has a little clean, it's alright, but I know we could do better. So I want this pink stuff in the tub. I want it on all the things. So I got it in the spray, and I also got it in the bottle. It's just the pink stuff. They're on Shark Tank, all those things, okay? And the thing that's the closest competition to the pink stuff is Barkeeper's Friend. So I'm a big Comet fan, but there's just some spots. I live in a really old studio apartment. There's just these things over time, like you can clean with Comet, you can clean with Clorox, but it's just not getting it how it's supposed to. So products like these, I watch endless videos of Barkeeper's Friend. Oh, I'm excited. Oop, let me put this back in the plastic. The powder starts to come out. But this is the pink stuff that works. This is my first set. Of the Scrub Daddy. I'm really excited. I just got the 3-pack. It took an entire week to get here. It was like one of the last things that came in the mail. I'm so excited. I was torn between the Scrub Daddy and the Scrub Mommy. I didn't even know those two. Scrub Mommy has a sponge on the other side, so it's 2. We gonna see if that works. And then the last thing is I'm redoing my countertops. If you see my bathroom makeover, I put contact paper over the counters. I'm over it. It has like a white, gray, copper feel, but like I said, I'm getting rid of the copper. I'm just going gray, white, and like a mint green, a sage, if you will. And so I just want marble countertop paper, contact paper that's just white and gray. So I'm gonna be redoing. I hope this is big enough. It should be good. I got 1 roll, so I'm redoing my countertops. Video coming soon. And if that video doesn't come within the next couple weeks, you better bother me and be like, girl, where's the video at? Okay? So I go to the laundromat because once again, I live in an old building and I go and wash everything there. I've been wanting a Delicates bag. So this is 1, 2, 3. Delicates bag for, you know, those the panties, the bras, all the delicate stuff that says you gotta go to the dry cleaner. No, I don't. I have a Delicates bag. So this is gonna prevent me from having to wash things by hand and then trusting my stuff. So I got a 3-pack. Okay. This one right here. So now we're getting into like makeup and beauty right now as we wrap this up. I am nervous to touch this. I like am a robe type of gal. Like I'll wear a little robe that like kind of stops really low. I'm just around the house, around the studio apartment, you know. And I have my windows open for the sun, so I need to be clothed. But the last robe I got from Amazon, it was 100% cotton. It was a little rough. It seemed like it needed to be ironed. It wasn't soft to the skin. So I wanted to buy 5, but I was like, let me buy 1. And if I like the way it feels, we'll buy more. So, ooh, yes. Okay, this is the feel that I want. Okay, I'm definitely gonna wash this before I wear it because I'm definitely the type of person like, I want to put it on now. Okay, this is around the house robe, little around the house robe. So it's short. It's one of the short ones. This is so cute. Look at that. They did have a lot of funky patterns when I was like, I'm not gonna want to see that pattern every day. So you know, one robe I have right now is black. And ooh, and it has pockets. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is soft. What material is this? I just need to start looking at the material. What do I like? Nylon? Is that what it is? Probably. It doesn't say, huh? Anyways. Ooh, I like this. Okay, it feels so good. It feels so good. Okay, we're wrapping this up. These are the last items. These are the last items right here. Okay. So I'm trying to have a multivitamin. a multivitamin. So I have this Geritol that's supposed to be good also for hair growth, because times have been a little crazy. I know it doesn't look like it because it's extremely dry. If my hair is dry, it's big. But if it's moisturized, it looks a little thin, and I pretty much have to co-wash my hair almost every other day. I want to be like, this is day 5 hair, and I can't do that. I can't do day 5 hair. It doesn't last. So I'm hoping something like this will like help my hair with that. So it's like, you know, multivitamins be helping your hair, skin, stuff like that. I don't know if you know, I wear lashes every day, but I'm always buying them from the beauty supply, and sometimes I don't want to drive to the beauty supply. Sometimes I don't have my number, like the number size that I get. So I bought these from Kiss and Ardell. They're kind of like the wispy kind. They're 2 different kinds. And I'm looking right now, looks like the Kiss ones are too short. I'm probably gonna like the Ardell ones, these naked ones. They're called naked lashes. I'm probably gonna like these ones more, because these ones from Kiss are looking a little, they look just like my lashes. I want them a little longer, so we'll see. I'm gonna be doing a video really soon of good molecules. This stuff has been making my face feel like, it makes me want to touch my face. It makes my face feel so smooth. So I've been using 2 or 3 good molecules products. So I'll have that video coming up because we don't have time to talk about it in this video. The last 2 items. I got this tweezer set thingamajigger. Do I need to cut this open? How does this work? Oh, this is confusing. I think I'm just gonna cut it open. I probably don't need to cut it. Boop, boop. I took these all out of the boxes because I hate when people are like, here's a haul, and they spend half the time opening the dang bag. But anyways, it's cute. It comes in this little leather thing. Oh no. And then, don't worry, this is the only packaging we're doing. Whew. And then it just opens. It's so cute. It's so cute. So it has 4 different kind in the little scissors. Yes. You know, I'm a girl that's good for packaging, and I love these colors. This is like the mint that I'm gonna have in my bathroom. The sage. Actually, look, this one looks a little teal. But tweezers, I haven't gotten new tweezers in like a couple years, so that's good. And then the last thing, a makeup bag. I've had my makeup bag for about 4 years, since 2018 maybe. And so, ooh, let me use the scissors. It's time. It's time. I've tried to scrub that thing, wipe that thing down. The makeup stains are like, we are here to stay. We ain't going nowhere. And it just doesn't make me excited to pull out my makeup because it's a little dingy now. It's time to move on. So I was gonna buy a makeup bag that's exactly like how I had mine, but it's a little flimsy. It's like the kind you can hang. I want something a little sturdy. So this one, I think I got it for like, I don't know, $12 or something like that. I'm gonna make another video about the review of this one, but just to give you an idea of what it looks like, has all those little ooh, it smells like a new car. Okay, it has all those compartments, and then that's for your brushes. Ooh, and then this is where your palettes can go on the side. And I like that it stands up by itself, because my other one's a little flimsy. It'd be falling over. This is like the kind you hang on the door. But I like this kind. It's not too big, because I've had a makeup box before, you know, the little professional ones. So this one's good. And these are adjustable too. You can move them around. So I'm going to do a makeup declutter, like throwing away a whole bunch of makeup and before I put it in this one. That might be the next video that I make next week. Okay, so that video should be coming up, and I'll let you know if I like it when I'm actually putting makeup in it. And that's it. That's it for the Amazon haul. If you want to see more hauls, I don't buy a lot of stuff, but usually my hauls would be Amazon, Target, and Trader Joe's. Those are really much the 3 that you're probably gonna see from me, because I don't really buy a lot of things, right? We're trying to be minimalistic in our own little way. We got a lot of things, but not as much as we used to have before. Make sure you like and subscribe. I got more videos from you. I'm probably gonna keep doing more shorts, more like vlog style, in case you want to see more of those coming up. Let me know. I'm excited for makeup declutter, bathroom makeover, and some more things coming up these next couple videos. So make sure you subscribe and say hi in the comments. Until next time, peace.